Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon how to change country. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to change your country, the first thing that you need to do is open up your Amazon app, and once you're inside your Amazon app, here on the bottom bar you'll see 4 icons. Simply tap on the profile icon right next to home icon, and once you're inside your profile icon or your account page, here on the top right corner of the screen, right below bell icon and search icon, you'll see a flag icon, right? Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be provided with 3 options, that is a country or a region, language or currency. Now all you gotta do is tap on country or region, and here simply scroll down and then select the country that you want, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.